Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackGear.com. Today we're going to break down the all-new RST TracTech Evo 4 one-piece race suit. Not gonna lie, I'm really excited about this one. Before I dive into it, let's talk a little bit about pricing, okay? Retail on this suit is about $7.99. We have it for a price a whole heck of a lot lower than that on our website, right? Right now, it's priced at $4.99. That is an amazing price for this suit. Please understand, we do not update videos for pricing changes only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. I'm really pumped about this. I have worn a lot of race suits. I have sold a lot of race suits. So when I get to different price points, right, I have certain expectations. The minute I slid this thing on, every single expectation exceeded. RST has shit figured out, period. You're able to get a high quality piece of riding or racing equipment at a very reasonable price without sacrificing anything, really. Focusing on this, and let's talk sizing right now before I blather on. Okay, I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, just a scotch over 200 pounds, got about a 33 to 34 inch waist. Don't judge me, it's a Corona apocalypse. I'm wearing a size 44 US, 54 Euro in this suit, and the fit is absolutely perfect, okay? When I look at a suit like this, a couple of things that I want to see, right? And what this was designed for, they hit it right on the head. When I look at a suit around this price point, for the most part, we're going to be track day riders, and we're going to be, right, club racers, amateur racers, you know, people racing on a budget. When I slide this on, I want it to go on easy. I want it to have a good degree of comfort and mobility, right? Not feel all tight and restrictive. And to be able to stand up in it, that is a blessing. And notice I am very comfortably standing. RST built this one to do just that, and I gotta tell you, they hit the nail right on the head. Let's talk features and benefits. There's a lot of perforation on this. We're gonna, focus a lot more on the second part of this video when I take it apart and give you a close look. We're all perfed here, right? There's underarm perf. There's perf here. All your four-way stretch fabric is going to free flow air. Oh wait, this is also a CE certified garment, fully CE certified, that comes with a CE Level 1 back protector. Yes, it's actually enough to go out there and ride on the track in, right? CE Level 1 armor in the elbow forearm, shoulder, external shoulder slider, pretty bitchin'. Level 2 armor in the hips, and Level 1 armor in the knee and shin. It includes a set of the RST replaceable knee pucks. In all the critical zones, right? We've got safety stitching, multiple layers of leather in the seat. Fully removable liner, right? All at this price point. This is a tremendous home run. We've been selling their stuff for a couple of years now, and it's just awesome because they continually are tweaking things, coming out with new models, and I gotta tell you, every step of the way, these guys are moving forward. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part. I'm gonna take this thing off, take it apart, and give you a really close look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the TracTech Evo 4 suit from the inside out. This suit has a fully removable liner, right? Standard mesh liner, the pocket for the back protector. Okay, we'll show you that in a second. Is right here. It's kind of a spacer fabric kind of gig, so you get a little benefit out of that. Works to keep you a little cooler. The hip armor is housed in these pockets here on the side, very easily removable if you choose to do that. There is a storage pocket internal on the left breast. If you're riding on the street, whatever you want, or even on the track, and you want to have some documents or something in there, you can do that. This is easily removable, washable. If you're going to wash it, very mild detergent, hand wash, line dry. Don't ever throw that in the dryer because you don't want it to change shape. It might be hard to get it back in the suit. Here is the race hump. No certification here. We just got a big hunk of foam. It zips in and zips out. All this in my hand, right, is CE Level 1. Everything here. The hip armor that's included is CE Level 2. The back protector, this is slipped right in that pocket, right? Is this as good as a full-bore $200 standalone back protector? No, it's not, right? It's not. But does this provide a good measure of protection? Yes, it does. A lot of the back protectors that we see out there today, they're using material literally just like this, okay? But they've got all the straps and shit on it. This is in the pocket, super comfortable, and for a suit that sells at this price point, it makes it a complete package, which is one of the things I really love about the RST line. There's a closer look at that hip armor. Level 1, knee and shin. Elbow, forearm, as well as the shoulder. Now we'll focus on the shell of the suit itself. It's all race weight leather. See back here, we got a little stretch panel back here at the base of the neck. The race hump on this suit is not huge. You could see that when I had it out of the suit. This is not a massive race hump on it. Large motion panel here. Shoulders, large motion panel here at the waist. We got some perf down here, some perf over here on the other side, mirror image of course, and as you kind of roll the suit over, you'll see here in the side, in the underarm area, there is a lot of perforation on the TracTech Evo 4. There is a built-in tailbone pad, couple layers of leather here in the impact zone. We're using a good quality 4-way stretch fabric all through the crotch, the back of the legs. YKK zips are used throughout the suit. This is one of those pieces that, you look at the price tag, right? And you get this in your hands. I think this really exceeds all expectations at this given price point. Integrated shoulder slider, pre-curved arm, 4-way stretch fabric here, little leather flap and Velcro, right? Locking zip on the sleeve. They bring the stretch fabric all the way up into the collar of the race suit. Got a lot of perforation here in the chest, perforation down here in the upper thigh. Motion panel, knee pucks are of course included. Got a little neoprene trim here on the cuff. You get inside the suit, and what we can show you here is just some of the safety seams where they bring all the seams together. These are stitched and folded, right? Multiple levels of stitching to increase the protection the suit offers. You look over here in the shoulder area, right? We've got some additional, the pocket where the armor is held actually offers a little additional protection from impact and abrasion itself. You're going to find a similar situation down here with multiple layers used in the elbow and forearm area. Just kind of give you a look at that pad that's here in the tailbone. This isn't a certified piece, it's just a piece of memory foam that's in there, right, to help absorb some impact. 2 layers of leather. The seat is one of the most critical spots on the suit, and they have that fully reinforced. I really like this a lot. I like the way it fits. I like the way it looks. I like the quality of it, right? All the armor. This is a complete package. I think if you're shopping in this price point, you're not going to find a better suit. I'll stand behind that. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.